Hey, welcome back to part 2. Don't know why my camera keeps cutting out on me in these videos, but anyway. So yeah, you do get another protective cover to cover up, you know, the little lighter. So it includes one TACTiCAL lighter and one USB charging cable. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get this thing open up and latch it and stuff. So yeah. So what is this little thing here? So it's just kind of a quick little rundown pamphlet here. All the parts, you have protective cover, clothes, cap, art. Yes, it's like a electric plasma art torch. Well, not torch, but lighter. You know what I mean. Protective cover open, power button and stuff. It's a micro USB cable for charging. So the micro USB cable is kind of a short cable, but you just get a wired cable that you could get for a PS4 or for an Android phone. It's just one of those standard cables. Does it say how long you have to charge it? Before using TACTiCAL light for the first time, make sure to charge the unit. Okay. How long does it take to charge? Okay, once the charge starts, the red LED indicator light on the side of the lighter will light up. It will take approximately 2 hours to fully charge the lighter. So if you want this thing to be fully charged, 2 hours is how long it's going to take. And the back just says another language. Kind of like the agreement thingy, whatever, who cares. So here's how it looks. Actually, the body feels very, very cheap. I thought it was going to be made out of like metal. Like this one has some heft to it. It has actually some weight. Like if I threw this at someone, I can knock them out. I can put this in a slingshot. You know, this is like a rock. It has weight to it. It's black and it's painted or anodized. This is just a piece of black plastic. No, really, it's light and I can feel it being plastic. Like if I give it a good squeeze, did you hear that? That little yeah, and I wasn't even giving it a good old squeeze, like the heart. You know, it was just like really like just a little pinch.